To check your admissions decision, log into MyMadison using your JMU EID and password, then click on the Applicant Center at the bottom of the page. You will see your decision in the middle of the page. Click on the decision for more information. From this page, you can view and/or print your decision letter. If you have difficulty viewing your decision letter, please make sure it is not being blocked by a pop-up blocker. If you've been admitted, you can also accept or decline your offer of admission within the Applicant Center. If you need clarification on your admissions decision, click on the Applicant tab at the top left of this page to return to the Welcome screen. In the Applicant Tutorials and FAQs section, click on Definition of Applicant Status for more information. The Applicant Center in MyMadison is supported by JMU's IT Help Desk. Should you have any difficulty, please contact them at 540-568-3555.